How to solve TikTok no internet connection or something went wrong issue in Android phone. Hello everyone, this is Sabina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So number one step, delete TikTok cache. To do so, go to your settings, then go to apps. After that, find TikTok app. Now, go to its storage section and then tap on clear cache. Next step, make sure you have latest version of TikTok. Go to Play Store, then search for TikTok, and then if there is an update button instead of this open button, simply tap on it and get the latest version. Make sure you have a very stable internet connection and your problem should be fixed. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.